Okay, I think we're back.
All right, we're back. So we are coming to you every night from Cindy's house. We're sheltering in place here, and we are keeping ourselves amused.
Very much.
Very much so. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
We are dressing up, putting on makeup. Look for that red live button up there, and that means we're live.
We're live.
I know, I'm trying to be a comedian. I heard comedians are funnier.
Comedians are funny. Yeah.
But a big boom. I made that one up all by myself. So I've been watching some TED Talks, and we have been hanging out. Cindy tonight has prepared a wonderful feast for us. It is a vegan chili, and she's going to explain what's in the ingredients and what we're going to do, and I'm going to share my stream. Be sure to share. Don't start a watch party,
Okay.
but share.
Well,
Here we
tonight we're going to make the vegan chili. I've got zucchini. I've got criminy mushrooms. Can't really see those, so I'm not going to show you. I have red and green bell peppers chopped. I have red onion chopped. I have carrots ground in the food processor to a small consistency. And then I have a can of Muir Glen organic fire roasted tomatoes with a can of Del Monte diced tomatoes with some green chilies. Then I also have some green chilies and some tomatillos. And when I asked Lalo to get me tomatillos, I didn't expect him to come home with pickled tomatillos, but we're going to try them because vinegar isn't necessarily a bad thing. So I drained all the vinegar off, crushed them with my hands. That's what I have.
You crushed it with your bare hands?
With my bare hands, yes.
I hope you use gloves and wash your hands.
I washed my hands before and after.
Good.
Yes, as we all should. So what I'm going to do is turn on the back burner there.
Sweet. Okay, all right, we're just going to hop
And
to it.
we're going to hop to it. I'm going to
Because we're
put
hungry.
the tomatoes into the pot and the tomatillos
Tomatoes and tomatillos.
into the pot right there. And it's on a low heat right now. It doesn't need to be going crazy. You don't need to stir it. It's fine.
Okay. All right, I'll
Go
just
ahead
say-
and light your burner.
Well, should we tell everybody? Well, so we
Tell
know who
everybody
we are.
everything.
Okay. We are Silver Shells Bling Party, and
Absolutely.
we have an online jewelry store, www.silvershells.live, and we sell jewelry. And we have all sorts of jewelry on our website. We have tourmaline, aventurine, we have pearls, we have jade, we have sea agate,
I have some Mexican fire opal on with Ethiopian opals.
we have Australian opals, we have sterling silver. Oh my gosh, we have beads. We have a lot of fun jewelry. So be sure to go to www.silvershells.live and check it out.
I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, as Nancy Moraes would say. EVOO, E-V-O-O, extra virgin olive oil. EVOO. So it gives things a nice flavor. It's going to add a nice character to the chili. So that's pretty good. I think the first thing I'm going to do, I've got these ground carrots.
Hi Barbara, how are you, darling? It's so nice to see you, and I'm getting a...
Okay, the carrots are ground
Some
to a
carrots.
fine consistency in the food processor.
I'm sending Zane a birthday card.
And you can
So-
saute those.
Thank you. I
And
think
then-
I will.
Yeah, they want to be cooked because we eat this pretty soon after we cook it. So I'm going to just start with the bell peppers. I've mixed the red and the green together, no biggie.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh.
Uh-oh?
No, it's just I'm just seeing that I'm trying to scrape these carrots off and they're sticking. So anyway, so we are Silver Shell's Bling Party, and we have a show on Sundays. We've been interviewing people. We've interviewed now 15, 16, 17 and a half people. Matt was not able to really have a interview with them last night. Vegan chili. Okay, good. Vegan chili is good.
Vegan chili is good.
So she's got the ground up carrots, and we have tomatoes, tomatillos, red and green peppers. Are you vegan? Are you vegan, Barbara? So it says Cindy's watching. I wonder, it doesn't say I'm watching because I'm on my own thing maybe. Anyway, so we've been having a lot of fun. We've had all sorts of people that I've interviewed on our show. Mandy Brooks, Vicki Guillory, PJ Malone, Nate Lopez, Alan Watt, Randy Tieford. We have done, oh my gosh, Levi Lloyd, Willard Blackwell.
Right.
Yeah.
Willard Blackwell, what a nice man.
He is a really nice man. Jeff's watching.
Hi, Jeff.
No, okay, so you like veggies. How's your weather in where you are, Barbara? And your little girl, I just saw a picture of her. She's so cute. They're just so cute. Your babies are dolls. So, interesting how the... Okay. So, we're just hanging out. We're coming to you every day since we're in quarantine. We can't go to the Pro Jam and can't go to Spanky's.
I forgot to mention, I also have two 15-ounce cans of kidney beans and two 15-ounce cans of pinto beans draining in the sink. So I just put them in a colander and let them drain in the sink.
There's Thea Daniels.
Hi, Thea Daniels.
Hi, guys. Cindy and I are sheltering in place here, and we are cooking up veggie chili. So we have carrots.
Ground carrot gives it a nice body,
So,
and it tastes really good. It's really sweet.
hi there. Hi, everybody. It's been a gorgeous day today. And I feel like summer's coming. Hopefully we're at the end of the rain. I'm feeling good. Cindy's feeling good. So far so good, you guys. So we're celebrating every day that we wake up and we're healthy. And my heart goes out to those that are having health issues right now and other issues. So anyway, we're brightening our lives and gotta do something to keep ourselves from going stir crazy. So we are
Making chili.
Making
These
chili
Muir
tonight.
Glen fire roasted tomatoes, you can get them at Oliver's. They are really good.
quarantine 50-15. Okay, so Thea just brought up a good point.
What's that?
It's called the quarantine 15. You gain 15 pounds during the quarantine.
Right.
All right.
This is going in the freezer, and it's all veggie, and there's no meat in it. It's a good, and yes, the quarantine 15 was a good point because that was something we were just talking about.
We were talking
We
about
were
that.
talking about that outside just a couple hours ago. And we wanted to bring up some helpful hints for not going to the refrigerator board.
All right. My sister sent me a Fit Polo, which is like a Fitbit or an Apple Watch, and it measures the number of steps I take during the day.
You can go ahead and dump those.
And so for okay, so I'm going to turn that off. So I'm putting the carrots in the chili. So for a woman my age, my height, my weight, I need to get between 8,000 and 10,000 steps in a day. And I've had this about almost 24 hours, and I made it to 11,000 steps.
Excellent.
Excellent.
I, on the other hand, have not done that many steps. I know I haven't. I need to move more. I decided that. That's a thing.
So
There you go.
It's
It's hard to move around a lot when you're stuck in the house.
It is.
You have to actually be motivated to exercise deliberately.
But I have the type of whatever metabolism where I am always constantly moving and walking around and jumping up and down. So
Jumping up and down.
I'm jumping up and down.
Jumping up and down.
I
like
can
a
do
monkey.
jumping jacks, yeah. Like a monkey. I try, you know.
So I'm turning the heat up on these. I want the skins on the bell peppers to blister a little.
All right. So while we're waiting, everyone, we are Silver Shells Bling quarantine shelter-in-place party.
Yes, we are.
I'm Silver Shells.
I'm Cindy Jenkins.
And we are
The
the Bling
Bling
Sisters. And we have upcycled t-shirts. We've cooked. We've done some fun tests, some fun little quizzes. And I have a new quiz. This is a 1970s song artist matchup quiz. All right. Who sang Go Your Own Way?
Now, I don't know if we should give them the A, B, and C selections. It's a giveaway. Go your own way.
All right. Yeah,
Hi,
I know
Craig
who did that.
Thompson. Hey, Craig.
Ooh, it's really smelling good.
Hey, Greg, you're here too. Awesome.
I think I need to get some.
Okay, so I'm starting to see how the skins are starting to blister.
Nice.
So I had to turn up the heat a little bit. It just wasn't happening.
You need it to. Okay, so you want to blister that?
I want the skins on the bell pepper to turn color and blister.
Hi, Craig. Remember, share, because
Share the stream.
we can't get out to the Pro Jam. We can't get out to parties and see you guys. So we're doing our part, and we're coming to you. And we are doing it every night at from 6 to 6:30-ish. Or more-ish.
Depending on if we have a guest. If you have a guest.
Oh, look at somebody's giving me hearts. Yay,
Oh,
we're
awesome.
going up there. Yay. So, we're Silver Shells. Look for the red light, and that means we're live. There should be a notification bell up in the corner. Turn that on if you want to know when we go live. So, tonight, Cindy and I are making vegan chili, and we have a song artist matchup quiz. Who sang Go Your Own Way? Greg, you should know this. Jeff. Come on, guys.
Craig's been watching good.
Oh, Craig, we love you. How are you doing? Now, I'll tell you what. You can go lower than...
Go low, Craig.
Go
Do
low,
the limbo,
Craig, yeah.
Craig.
Oh, my God. For natural knees and hips, this guy can dance like crazy. All right, my mushrooms,
Oh, your mushrooms look
lovely. All right, we're gonna pour
Yeah,
those
pour 'em
in.
Maybe you
Nice.
can do. I'm still working on the bell peppers. Take a little longer.
Okay, so somebody famous, I think. You are right. Go Your Own Way is.
Fleetwood Mac, right on. Greg Wilson.
Yay, Greg! All right. London Calling. Who sang London Calling?
Oh, you better give them that one.
Okay.
Give them the names.
Picky. First I can't give
Well,
you
the
the
first
names.
one was
Now
just
I
too
can.
easy.
Okay, Fleetwood Mac, yes. Yay, you guys.
Okay, now these are nice and blistered. I'm going to transfer them.
Mushrooms, they're really good. They're criminy mushrooms. So they're richer, I guess I could turn.
They taste like mini portobellos.
My food will cook if I turn my burner on.
I was wondering why it wasn't sizzling.
I know, I'm listening and watching, I'm stirring it around thinking, I wonder what's wrong with this picture, but it would be me. So, on Sundays, when we're on, we bring entertainment. We have an entertainment calendar, places to go. We have restaurants.
Restaurants. We like to do Zagat reviews sometimes. That's fun.
And then we interview people. We have people on our show. And it's so much fun. Now that we're in quarantine, we have had Carol Casey from Sonoma Shakers on our show. And our beloved Susan Copperman. We love you, Susan, so much.
Love you, Susan.
And then yesterday was Matt Silva.
And we had trouble with the sound and couldn't broadcast last night. We really missed everybody.
I know.
Mushrooms are yummy.
So so where'd you go? You went to Imwali Gardens to get these, right?
These came from Food Max.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah, Lala went to Food Max this morning.
That's good. That's a big
Now, if
one.
I went out to Reggie's, I would have gone to Emerald Gardens.
Yeah.
But they weren't open early.
Oh, these are brown enough. I
You
guess
went
they're
at, no, you need to keep letting them cook.
okay.
I'm sorry.
Well, let them cook. I'll just let them
You
cook.
need to let them cook a while.
All right. So, London Calling.
London Calling. What are
Who's
the
saying it?
choices?
The Clash, the Sex Pistols. Ooh, Elizabeth, look, you just tuned in.
Hi,
The
Elizabeth.
Runaways and the Ramones. We're looking for who sang London Calling. Oh, I know, Craig. We can't wait to be able to go out and visit. It makes you realize what social animals we are.
Right?
Me and Cindy, we're down at the Redwood Cafe every Monday, and we love that place. It's the Pro Jam, the Blues Defenders, our friends are there. We hang around, we stay connected, we don't gossip much. This group isn't big gossiping, so usually what you hear is true. Ha 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 ha.
Well, let's see.
Oh,
Why
I
don't you
love
hand me
you.
over some of those zucchini
Okay,
and it'll divide the load.
okay.
Here we go. There we go. That's good.
Yeah, all right. All right, so far we have onions and we have carrots, 2 colors of
Mushrooms.
peppers, mushrooms. Now we're doing zucchini.
You might need more tomatoes in there. We'll
Bye,
see.
Thea. We love
Oh,
you.
bye, Thea.
Have a good evening. Thanks for stopping in. So we're, Silver Shells and Cindy, hanging out wherever you are on your phone. I don't know where we are. We could be. All right. So I got sidetracked. I'm going to tell you now. For my height and weight, at 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day. And my friend Pam has a pedometer, and she said that in 2 hours of dancing at the Redwood Cafe, her pedometer measured 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps in 2 hours. Look how good dancing is for you. Even if, that's what, 3.1 miles or something like that. That's amazing. Maybe not that far. But anyway, 10,000 steps. That's a lot of steps. So my goal, now I got it. I got my Fitbit on. And I'm going to see if I can keep my target in 8,000 to 10,000. It's harder during Sundays than it is other days. Some days you just have to sit at your
See how those look?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want most of
good.
these like that.
All right, so we want these like caramelized,
Brown.
and browned and yummy. This is gonna be good. What you showing?
I'm gonna show what the
Yeah, all
zucchini
right.
looks like.
The
If we can get it up there. Maybe not. The light is not on it well.
Dog's
Okay.
tail.
Never mind. But the zucchini is browning nicely.
I'm 5'3".
I'm
Yeah.
5'3". But we look different heights. Are you wearing different shoes? No?
I have about an inch heel. So, not pretty short. But I look taller because my hair makes
Okay.
me look taller.
I am going to.
Too fun. So how's everybody doing in their sheltering in place? We're just hanging out. I'm watching on Netflix 100 Humans. Now guys, if you haven't seen that, it is so interesting. It is, I can't stop watching it. So there's just 100 random humans. And
I'm gonna put the green chilies in a can.
zucchini, I know it looks really good. No, I don't want to tie it to a dog's tail. I want to do this myself. I want to step those steps.
That's funny, Craig.
So I find myself marching in place, to get my pedometer, and then will that become a habit? Everywhere I go, I'll be marching, dancing in place. Yeah, man. All right, nobody got the London Calling. Okay,
London Calling, The Clash, released by The Clash on their album London Calling in 1979.
All right, who sang Heart of Glass?
Heart of Glass.
I'm going to Tangerine Dream, The Supremes, A Taste of Honey, or Blondie? Who sang Heart of Glass? All right, here we go. Ooh, yeah. So in goes the zucchini. Yum, guys. This is really good.
We want this to cook.
We made cornbread earlier.
Yeah, we have cornbread to eat with this.
I know. I look tall. It's the camera angle. The camera. It's the camera angle. See, now I look really tall. I'm standing on my tippy toes. I don't know, maybe you're only 5'2".
Maybe 5 3/4. 5 2 3/4. They said I could take 5 3.
Yeah.
They don't want 5 2 3/4 on your driver's license.
They don't? Okay, that's why she's 5'3" and I'm 5. I used to be 5'4", but not anymore. I'm shrinking. Blondie. Okay, Shannon Ryder got it right.
Shannon!
Yay, Shannon!
Thank you for joining us, Shannon.
Yeah, all right. Heart of Glass.
Right
Now,
on.
all right, so we have Born to Run. Who sang Born to Run? You guys should know this. Everybody should know
Everybody knows that one. We shouldn't have to tell you the selections.
Okay, look at this is.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dump the beans
You're 5'11". Oh,
right
well,
in here.
Okay. So Barbara, 5'11", your dad, wasn't he 6'6"? And Zach, your brother, is 6'4". Ooh, okay. So then
We
there's.
need some more tomatoes in this.
Okay, I bought more cans.
We need another can of your blank tomatoes in this. I tried to neat everything out beforehand, but
Wow, this looks. I wish you could see it. It's a beautiful, beautiful. Bob Seger. No, Born to Run. All right. Neil Young. Not Bob Seger. Oh, I'm looking at my phone over there. Oh my gosh, okay. Born to Run. Neil Young, Bob Seger, no, Bob Seger. Bob Dylan,
Okay.
or Bruce Springsteen. I know, Shannon. It looks really good. There's going to be a lot on it.
there's going to be a lot of it. We're going to put it in the freezer. We made
In bags.
a thing of cornbread earlier and froze that.
That's right.
So these are all going in the freezer in individual meal packets.
Scott Murphy's here.
Hi, Scott Murphy.
He got it. He got the box.
All right.
Bruce Springsteen. All right. We
Can
are
we do
now.
the sway?
The
Sway for Scott.
Wait, we gotta get in tune here. Okay, so we gotta do this way.
Wait a minute, go your way first.
So we're doing the sway.
The sway.
The Bling sisters sway.
Okay.
Anyway, okay, all right.
Okay, so I got
never
this.
Get those right.
I have got this.
It looks really good.
This is amazing.
All right.
Right here.
All right. So who sang Psycho Killer?
Psycho Killer.
Psycho Killer. Jeff, you gotta try and get one right. You're reaching. No, I'm just kidding, Jeff. We love you. We love you so much.
Isn't that number 11? Psycho Killer?
Well, it is, but that one everybody knows who did that. Your sway was
Okay.
marvelous. Thank you.
Thank you, Scott.
If we do it too long, no, we get
Talking
seasick.
Heads, that's correct. Psycho Killer was Talking Heads.
That is right. Yay, Jeff. All right. Here's an easy one. Dancing Queen. I'm not even going to give you.
No, they shouldn't get
Dancing
answers on that
Queen.
one.
Who can dance? I can dance. We can dance. They can dance. So
Dance
we
if
have
you
this
want.
little chili. So we're still selling jewelry. Yeah,
I
it's
forgot to
on
put
our-
in my spices. I have some Himalayan pink salt, some cumin, and some pepper.
Baba. That is correct.
Yes.
Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner.
We have a winner.
We do. All right. Okay, here's one. Highway to Hell. So these are so easy.
They're pretty easy.
They're pretty easy. Okay, Highway to
We
Hell.
need to be harder on you guys.
Get it. I know. Okay, I know. So these are, yeah.
Well, Scott Murphy, I don't know if his answer is correct. The bee is facing forward.
The bee.
Yeah, that one of those bees has to be backwards. Now, if you could accomplish that, you win the whole game.
Yeah. So what does he win?
Nothing.
That's
game.
right.
A bowl of chili with some cornbread.
Yeah. There we go. You freeze it. AC/DC. Okay, no. Highway to Hell. Yes.
We have
Is that AC?
cornbread. Is that?
Highway to Hell.
Yes,
Is that AC/DC?
it is.
Oh, good for you, Barbara. Good for you. All right. Here's one. Let's get it on. Anybody need any hints about that?
I don't think we need hints on that one.
Let's get it on. That's the name of the song. So
What do you win? Well,
you win.
we'll give
the
you 25% off anything in our store just for Scott Murphy.
That's right. Oh, everybody. No, everybody.
Okay, everybody. Anybody that orders today can have 25% off. I have to make a coupon for it. Just personal message me, and I'll go ahead and make sure you get a coupon code.
Yeah, 'cause we're wearing,
We are wearing our jewelry.
yes, from our collection. This is
Mhm.
sea agate, and I have some tagua, and Cindy has fire opal with Ethiopian opals. Goes lovely with her shirt. So, I know
Where do I put that?
It looks
I'll put
really
it right
good.
there. It does look
could
so
go
good.
wherever you want it to go. So how's everybody doing with this quarantine, this shelter in place? I hope everybody's doing good. All right, so let's get it on. Marvin Gaye, Boney M, The Go-Go's, or Dionne Warwick. Now, I would think that I'd like to hear Dionne sing that. Wouldn't
What's
you?
that?
Let's Get It On.
John Warwick. That's a good one.
Dionne Warwick.
She
yeah.
could sing it.
Yeah. That would be kind of funny. All right, so who does sing it? Is it Marvin Gaye?
Let's get it on. Marvin Gaye, of course.
Marvin Gaye.
I don't even have to look at the answer.
okay.
The Go-Go's?
The
Come on.
Well, I don't know.
What kind of answers are these?
Okay.
Who did this? This is the intern's fault.
All right, here's one we all should know and love. My Sharona. My Sharona. That's the Kinks, Hermits, Klaatu, or the Knack. Klaatu. Oh my God, who does Klaatu? Baraba Niktu. Is it Klaatu, Baraba Niktu? Is that the end of the world?
I don't know.
The day the world ended or something?
So I'm gonna plate this up so everybody can look at it.
Look at it. Look at it. The knack. Okay, you got it. Okay, my Sharona, the knack, yes. All right, we all know who did Stayin' Alive. It's not Tangerine Dream. And it's not Casey and the Sunshine Band. It's not Sly and the Family Stone. It is the...
Okay, here we go, folks.
Bee
Here's
Gees.
what we have. We have cornbread and vegan chili.
Doesn't that look lovely? It looks lovely, Cindy, and thank you for preparing this. She diced and chopped and prepared everything
Can you
and
see
laid
here?
it out.
No,
and
you cannot see it there.
it's very lovely, right? Let's see.
It's okay.
Okay, so Scott got the Bee Gees. Craig Thompson's Being Yummy. All right. Okay, now here's one I'm not sure of. Midnight Train to Georgia. Okay, who sang the Train to Georgia? The Temptations, Dr. Feelgood, Climax Blues Band, or Gladys Knight and the Pips?
I know who it is.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. The color of the chili is beautiful. It has the
So
greens
there's a lot
and
of different
red.
colors in there.
Yeah, it's very healthy, heart healthy. We're staying healthy here. Gladys Knight and the Pips.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
it is true.
All right, and I know these last two answers. The younger kids might not. Who sang
Younger
Maggie
kids like
May?
Scott. Maggie May.
Maggie May?
Don't give them the people.
I won't.
Maggie May.
Maggie
Everybody
May.
knows that song.
Hey guys, look for the live up in the corner. If it's on, Cindy and I are live. We are Silver Shells Bling Quarantine Shelter in Place Party. And we are coming to you every night.
Rod Stewart.
Rod
Scott.
Stewart, correct. And what other song was on that album? Since you're Mr. Smarty Pants.
Oh, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Mr. Smarty Pants, yeah. So
Or
what
The
other
Faces.
song was on there? Yeah.
The Faces. What
Yeah.
does that mean, Scott?
He was with the group The Faces.
Oh, was he?
No, not Scott, but
No, I mean Rod,
Rod
Stewart.
Stewart, yes. He
I
was
don't
with
recall The
Yes,
Faces.
Yes.
I thought I knew stuff.
Look, you learned something new today. We all
I
learned something
did.
new. So, okay, so that's right. And then last but not least, and this is one of my, believe it or not, I think he did, it's his 1972 live version. Who sang Paranoid?
Oh, well.
Big, oh, okay, Barbara. Bye, sweetie.
Bye,
Give your baby a
Barbara.
hug for us. See you later. Gasoline Alley? No, Paranoid. It's very good. It's, all right. Do you want me to give you a hint?
You need a hint. Give them the
All right.
choices.
All right. King Crimson, Iron Butterfly, Edgar Winter, or Black Sabbath. So there you go. Oh, this just looks so lovely. I made cornbread earlier, and I set my alarm on my phone, and so my alarm went off, and I went over and I turned the oven off. I turned my alarm off, turned the oven off, and went my merry way. Forgot to take
Take
my.
the cornbread out of the oven.
It's very done and chewy, overcooked cornbread.
This cornbread is
It's
good.
still
She
good.
did a second one.
I did, and I was very attentive
So
to
you all
it.
can see a really nice cornbread. We wanted to give good corn.
What was the other Rod song? Well, okay, so there's Maggie May. Now, what's the other one we were thinking? Mandolin Wind. We're just trying to get you to tell me another song on there. Mandolin Wind. Yeah, that was his first album that really caught my eye. I really liked it. But, so how's the weather where you are, Scott? Is it getting lovely springtime? It is here. Flowers are blooming. I'm sneezing. I think, is that it?
I think that's it.
Oh,
No, that's it.
no, there's more. Who did Superstition? Superstition. Superstition. No, I can't sing it. I can sing along. I always know the words when I sing along. Oh, it's beautiful up there. Awesome. Beautiful weather. Helen Mercurio is watching with us. Hello, Helen.
Hello, Helen.
Cindy and I are cooking vegan chili, and this is Silver Shell's Bling Party. We're coming to you from quarantine and sheltering in place.
At Cindy's house.
It's Stevie Wonder. That's right.
Mike Boss. Hey, Mike. Thanks for joining us, Mike.
Superstition. Is that right? Stevie Wonder.
Superstition was Stevie Wonder.
Yeah, all right. I was thinking the Rays got me mixed up. Ray Charles and Ray Stevens.
No.
We know who did come
Who
for
did
the
Brown
Bling
Sugar?
Yeah.
Who did Brown Sugar?
Yeah, okay.
Everyone?
Who did Brown Sugar?
I just usurped Shelley's job.
Brown Sugar. Oh, it looks
Thanks,
good.
it is good. Let me show it
smells
to you,
good.
Helen.
Yeah. She's going to bring it over and show it
I'm
to
going
you.
to bring it over and show it to you, Helen.
We need our jewelry cam to
Okay.
The stones, that's
So
right.
there's the chili. It's got lots of nice vegetables. Got a nice slice of cornbread to go with it.
I was trying to do something funny, but it wasn't very funny. Yeah.
Oh, how
I
funny.
thought it was funny, but
Stones, of course.
stones. So we know, and so there's London Calling, Paranoid. Let's get it on. Is there another page I missed? Rock Lobster. Is that what we did?
Rock Lobster, I know who that one is.
I've never heard it. Rock.
I know that one.
Okay, who's saying Rock
Rock Lobster. Rock Lobster.
How does
know
it
it.
go?
I'm not going to sing.
Because I never guess, right?
No, you wouldn't guess. If Rock Lobster didn't ring, it says Rock Lobster over and over.
No. I know, Baby Shark, do, but not Rock.
Rock Lobster.
Okay. So, Rock Lobster was at the Tangerine Dream, Sweet, the Stray Cats, or the B-52s? Anyone?
It's a wild video. You should look it up. It's a wild song.
All right, so,
Okay, I think our chili is ready to serve.
all right.
I'm going to turn it off.
And does that mean our show is ready to serve?
I
What do you
think-
think?
I think we have a few people here, and I don't want to say goodbye. Hi,
All right.
Papa
I don't
Pomposo.
want to say goodbye either, so I wonder if I can just.
Here, let me serve you up.
All right.
Okay.
That's right. What happened here?
What happened here? Those are dirty dishes that we have to clean.
Ooh, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that. We're going to eat.
Oops.
Oh, yeah. That looks great.
Excellent.
All right.
Spoon for you, my dear?
A spoonful of vegan chili helps ward the coronavirus away. Hey,
That's
yeah.
right.
These dishes, they're perfect. They're perfect for that.
They are. Aren't they great? I got these a couple years back. I really like them.
Yeah. We like the matching. That is really good.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am? Yes?
Yes.
Well, I'll tell you what.
What's that? You tell me.
Overcooked cornbread isn't quite as good as regular cornbread when you cook it correctly. What you looking at?
I am looking at Scott's message. Will you be sharing the recipe? I can on the group.
It's really good. It's really good. Easy to make. Just, the prep time and chop and whatnot. You can even leave your carrots she shredded hers.
I put them in the food processor because then it's nice and ground and it gives a nice consistency.
Mm. So
Although chunks of carrot would be nice too. That would just be a different take on it, and you wouldn't be able to cook it this fast because the carrots would take a long time to cook.
they would.
They would.
That's true because they're pretty dense.
Okay, I think it's
So-
time to wrap it up.
Okay, so I challenge everybody to take as many steps as you can.
And be active, move around.
Don't be
Look
active.
at the YouTube. Look at the YouTube. I said that before, didn't I? Look at YouTube's yoga
Well, I
instructors and
might try and learn a dance. Some
That'd be
hip hop
exciting.
moves or something, you know. I don't know. I'm getting ready to get
Let's
back
do
out
it.
and dance, and I'm missing it a lot.
yeah, me
actually.
too. Me
I
too.
really am.
Okay, everyone.
So I love you. Bye. This is
We
Silver
love
Shells saying have a good evening. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay sane.
This is Cindy.
Bye.
Goodbye.